Hi everyone. I hope you're able to hear me. I did the weekly analysis and the weekly review, but I didn't get the audio. So I've not been able to rectify the audio challenges I'm having currently with my system. So I quickly want to confirm that there is audio in this live training session before I proceed with what I have to tell you today. Just give me a moment, let me confirm. Moment, please. So I'm trying to create out time to rectify whatever the issue is. I'm still trying to confirm the audio, trying to connect using the link just to be sure that we're good. So it's the audio. Yeah, so we have audio. But the audio is okay. There's audio. All right, so quickly, I'm going to share my screen now and just show you a few things for the week. I know there are some of you that are in love with trading gold. Gold is for the VIP community, actually. So usually for the free community, I discuss with you the directional bias of the dollar index, after which I then tell you what to expect GU, EU, and the rest of them to do. So now this is the dollar index. Sorry, I was not available all through today, so I'm sure the dollar index would have done some of my expected moves based on the weekly analysis. Okay, so this is the dollar index, and so first thing you must know is you do your top down. If you look from the 1 week time frame as a day trader, you try to look at the recent break of structure, which is here. Okay, then that means if this is the recent break of structure, price is most likely test this place, okay, before coming down. So there could be possible bearish move there. You go to 24-hour, you look at the most recent, and there's one here. This is internal though. In the external range, we have one here. Okay, so of which until this place is taken out, you cannot ascertain that there is another one on the upside. So most likely price would give us bearish move. So we're looking for bearish move also on the 24-hour. When we go down to 4-hour, which is closer to our entry time frame, we'll look at the most recent happening. So on the range side, we have this break of structure. Price has come, it has tested the POI, it came down, it didn't take out, it came again. So that means price is bullish on the 4-hour, of which if you look closely, you will see that in the internal structure, it has already given us the internal break of structure, which is this, and it's currently on the POI. So if the dollar index on this point of interest gives me a clear sign to buy, something like this, it takes out a major, okay, it's taken out this already. If the dollar index for any reason, excuse me, it's taken out this already, so it's obviously bullish until we get at least to this point. So I'm expecting the dollar index to do this, of which that means there's bullish confirmations coming, of which if that happens, then I will be going bearish on GU, EU, and the rest of them. So this is what I mapped out in anticipation, though I was waiting for confirmation. So this is the confirmation. If you look closely, I marked this out during my weekly analysis that I'll be expecting GU to take out that high. And if you see, he did it. So he came into my point of interest and went straight to take profit. So this analysis I did was valid, but I was not available to take that trade. Very valid. Excuse me. I'm not sure I did the same thing for EU. Okay, so but most times when you are already sure where the dollar index is going, then EU, GU, AU, NZ, DU, all of them behave in the same manner. Okay, so then Bitcoin is about to give us the bull run. So if you look at the 4-hour time frame, you see that it has broken the structure in the internal time frame, though it's now currently on the POI, so it's supposed to go bearish. So let's go bearish. For those of you who want to trade it bearish, get ready. Get ready. You can go short on Bitcoin. I think it's time actually. So because it's taking out, okay, no, not time. Bitcoin will have to take out this low before it gives us the bearish confirmation. Okay. So for Bitcoin, this is what you should expect. This is what you should look out for Bitcoin. This is what you should look out for. All right. This is what you should look out for Bitcoin because it is on a bearish move on the 4-hour time frame. If you look at it, external range is downside break of structure, internal range is upside break of structure. Wood price will need to retest before even going bullish if it will go bullish. And then gold lovers, let me just give you an expo. So I anticipated that gold was going to buy, but it didn't come into my entry based on my weekly analysis. So it just kept going massively bullish. If you want, excuse me, if you want to trade gold, gold is bullish in the external range. So because of that, I'll be interested in gold coming into a point of interest like this. Give me my comfort trade gold. So this is what I expect from gold. Okay. I think that's all I can take for tonight. And I hope that this guides you in all that you're going to be trading this week. Make sure you are not chasing candles. You're not afraid of missing out. Make sure you are disciplined. You are keeping to check your key indicator factors that determines when you are to take an entry. Make sure you make money this week. Make sure you succeed. Make sure you win. Don't be um, don't waste your time. Okay, stay focused, stay active, give updates on the groups, both free channel and VIP channel. Okay, have a great trading week. See you soon.